Do you know how peaceful this feeling are? It was raining earlier, I guess it's from last night, and then suddenly earlier the sun is coming and I'm at the park right now with little friend. Oh my god. Hi sweetie. You know, this is just a public park that uh, close by where I live, and oh my god, see how beautiful, 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 beautiful nature, beautiful feeling. I guess see or hear pee there, but I just want to share with you. If you see this, go outside, enjoy it. It's a beautiful